Today we'll talk about how can you add your Alias on your Clubhouse app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Clubhouse app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go above your photo profile here, click on it in this sign. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on your name here. When you just click here on your name, it's going to take you to this list. Click here on alias here, just click on it. So when you click on it here, it's going to take you to this list, and here add an alias everywhere. Here your name is displayed here. So and here can you add it, add your alias here. When you don't, just click here on add alias, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,